Do you know what happens when you squeeze a fresh lemon over onions? If not, this is something you should try. Add chopped onions to a blender, squeeze in 1 fresh lemon, then add 2 cloves of garlic and 2 small pieces of ginger. Add honey according to your taste and pour in 1 glass of water. Blend well until smooth. This natural remedy helps cleanse the lungs, soothe a dry and irritated cough, clear respiratory passages, and reduce flu and cold symptoms. It also supports immunity, helps loosen mucus, eases chest congestion, improves breathing, and helps bring back your clear, natural voice. The ingredients work together to fight inflammation and support overall respiratory health. If you like simple and powerful home remedies like this, follow us for more.